Hey, if you want to set up eSIM on your Realme 14 Pro by scanning the QR code, for example, let's start by opening settings, and then you will have to go into mobile network. Right now, select eSIM, and there's actually a few ways how we can do this. First of all, click on the switcher, click to enable. Now just wait for the loading screen. After that, we will be able to actually add eSIM by clicking here. And right now, we have to click to set up an eSIM, and we'll get three different options. So the first one will be available for scanning a QR code, as you can see, like this one. So you will have to just grab your phone and scan the QR code that you receive from your carrier. Sometimes, if you don't receive the QR code, you can enter an activation code. It should actually start with this. So you can click here, open the keyboard, and input the code that you receive. But sometimes you can also scan from the photo. So let's say that you order an eSIM online and you have this one in your email. So you can take a screenshot and then you can search this and simply select your photo, and it will automatically move you into another steps. If it is not working, then you can try these troubleshooting steps. So as you can see here, you can read this one. So here there's the code that I show you. We can also connect to network by inserting a standard SIM, but also we can check out the EAD number. So yeah, that will be all.